on, yeah, come on.
Go ahead.
Hey, big boy.
Yeah,
so I'm filming, eh?
Yeah.
You start running into me, then you start filming.
You were
You
on.
You
Put your hand under my face in my car.
you. Get out the car and throw some punches. Come on, a 50-year-old man, come on. And I'll knock the out of you.
Alright.
Knock the living Christ out of you.
Yeah.
You fat Get out of the Jimmy.
Touch me again. That's all.
That's
That's assault.
mate, come on. Get out the car.
You need to relax. Get back
They tell me to relax when you need to start. You fat.
in the car. Alright.
Can I help you? Hi.
You fat
Thanks.
sitting there with my blinker on.
There's one that's right there.
You pull up,
There's one that's right there.
get out and walk some more. That's
Bye.
fat.
Thank you. Mad.
By the way, you're a pussy for recording it and not getting out or rolling your window down.
No, I gotta do.
Fat pussy.
And what I eat, ma'am.
What's up, love?
You're on camera.
What's up? Your car's rolling. Your car's rolling. Your car's rolling. Put your handbrake on, love. Put your handbrake on. Car's rolling. No,
Yeah, when you put your feet up to me,
yeah.
you were on camera.
Did you not put it up to me?
When you, I'm not on camera, you are.
You don't know, you divvy.
Give it a scrape. There you go, now you can see.
What's going on here, though? She mad.
I'm confident that she did not take some kind of a medication that she was supposed to take today. Because a normal human being does not do this kind of stuff, Alex.
Listen, I'll give you 20 bucks, bro, and I'll give her 20 bucks, and I'll take the spot.
Look, I'm not here for a spot. I was backing down, she was yelling at me, and then she starts hitting the car. Right now, I just called the cops on her.
Yo, bro, just let it go, man. It's not even worth it,
Take
dude.
the deal,
For
Alex.
real, take the deal.
No.
Take the deal and go home, man. It's
Look,
not even
if you
worth
get
it.
her to move, I'm fine. I will give it to you. I don't need money.
Where's the money,
No,
bro?
no, I don't need the money for
Okay, you
this.
take the
This is dirty stuff, so...
Move.
Yeah, if she's moving, I'm gonna back down. It's fine. I'm not staying here.
But don't fight for the spot. That's why I said.
Oh, no. I'm not fighting for a spot, man.
We actually want to leave. We want to leave.
Oh, that's what you want.
We
to
want.
We
I want
wanted
to
to
leave.
leave, and then she was banging the car.
Hey!